stop clapping, all papas. You'll have to come and join them on the stage. Let me ask them to call you.
Papa is here, beta.
Ananya. Hey, lovely moment, guys. Come on. They deserve clapping at this, yaar. कैसा लगा आप लोगों को अपनी अपनी गुड़िया के साथ डांस करके?
मैम बहुत बढ़िया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
हम भी बहुत खुश हैं आप लोगों को इस तरह से नाचते गाते देख करके।
Really enjoyed with our daughter and thanks for taking care of us.
Thank you, sir. You guys make a lot of difference in our lives, really.
It was really great pleasure with the today is very enjoyable, and I never expected my daughter to perform such a way. She was very shy actually before joining Eurokid, and I have seen a lot of changes in her in just 3 months, I guess. Yes, it's just in 3 months. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. When you say such beautiful lines to us, it makes our all energy and sweat really paid off. Because these are the young ones. We have meant them for our future. And if you like them and if you want them to be what you're seeing them here, then it is all the efforts of our lovely staff that we have here and the lot of effort taken to come and make them stand here and understand that they're now going to a big world.
I had some what do you say? I'm not getting the right word right now. But I've seen that my daughter, after coming here in this Eurobits, she has developed a lot. I mean, she was very shy. She was very shy. She did not interact with other kids and all that. But after coming to Eurobits, I've seen that she has been very friendly. And she has developed a lot. Her communication, that is basically the big problem that I have. So communication skills have tremendously improved. And I see that in her house she is becoming very social also. So these are things that she has learned here, and I'm very proud that she was a student of Eurobits. She's gained admission now. I will be really missing the staff of Eurobits, especially. She's been very kind. And there used to be one teacher, Shemaya. She was also very good. I have personally I know these teachers because they have put in a lot of effort to bring the inherent qualities that were lying deep inside her. Thanks a lot.
सब बातों से मैं भी एग्री करता हूँ एंड वन लाइन आई वुड से जस्ट फॉर वाचिंग हर डांस अर्चिशा आई थिंक आप एग्री करेंगे एंड मतलब मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी वो डांस करेगी मैं भी यही कह रहा था मच बट शी हैज डांस वेल एंड आई एम हैप्पी एंड आई थिंक थैंक्स टू यू
So first of all, thank you so much Eurokids for giving us the opportunity to dance with our little princess. So we have never tried it before at home. So first of all, thank you so much and thank you so much for all your efforts in making our kids so groomed and so developed. And you guys are actually making our kids So you are making her future, and thank you so much for each and everything. So you are giving and you are helping kids in learning in such a great way. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to all lovely ma'ams from Eurokids, because my daughter is very happy right now. And I have not seen ever in my life. So thanks to all ma'am, and I am also happy. Because my daughter is happy.
Thank you so much. All these lines, all these good thoughts, and lot of thank you to the teachers. Sir, you want to share his own? So I think thank you so much for being here on the stage with our little ones and motivating them to do more and more and more in the years ahead. Please have this. Now we have performance from our ex-Eurokid little girl, Bhavya. लवली डांस, इतनी प्रैक्टिस और इतनी मेहनत, वाओ। रूपा मैम, थोड़ी सी मेहनत अब पेरेंट्स से भी करवाई जाए। ना मुझे नहीं पता, इसलिए मैं आपको माइक दे रही हूँ और आप
भूल रहे हैं मुझे, देखो लिटरली इसकी।
अब आपने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें रूपा मैम के लिए कह दी हैं, तो अब तो वो आप लोगों को ज़रूर यहाँ स्टेज पर बुलाकर कुछ स्पेशल करना चाहेंगी। रूपा मैम, भव्या's parents, please। भव्या ने इतना अच्छा डांस किया तो मम्मी पापा के डांस में तो देखना पड़ेगा, कहाँ है? आइए प्लीज, आइए। रोमांटिक म्यूजिक,
तुझे मुझसे मिलाया है, तुझ पे मर के ही तो।
प्लीज आप लोगों को करना पड़ेगा। चलिए बहुत बहुत या मेरे टीचर्स को बुलाऊं कपड़े डांस के गाने के लिए।
एक्चुअली पेरेंट्स हेजिटेट हो रहे हैं, अपने हाथ में बच्चे को लिए हुए हैं, लेकिन फिर से पे कीजिए, वो एक एक हाथ पकड़ के ही डांस कर लेंगे। नॉट एन इशू, वी हैव सो मेनी
दोबारा देखने को मिलेगा जो मैं हाथ में अभी तक नहीं किया मुझे करने see here. Now the ones who have come first time on the stage, जैसे मैम पहली बार मुझे स्टेज पर मिल रही है. So
I'm Ashima Agrawal. I'm Archish Agrawal's mom. मैम मुंह उठा के डांस बहुत अच्छा किया. आप चीज डिजर्व करते हैं. शर्मा क्यों रही थी, आप डांस करोगे? जमाने में वॉल्यूम दीजिए.
आप लोगों ने इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट देखा है? किस किस ने देखा है? हम सबने, आपने सबने, इधर तो बहुत कम लोगों ने देखा इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट। उधर सबने देखा है? उसकी एक छोटी सी झलक हम यहाँ स्टेज पर करने जा रहे हैं। उसके लिए मुझे आप लोगों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, वो तो हमेशा ही पड़ती है। तो मैं आप आज बहुत अच्छा करती हूँ, और अगर वो कपल हो तो क्या बात है।